have these filters here. I've had this thing for a couple years now, and I think it came with 2 filters. I'm on the second one, so I ordered some more. So here's what the clean one looks like. And then I did it beforehand because I couldn't do it with one hand, but you just twist it and pull it out. This is what twists in right here. And then I use a lot of citrus oil in these ones. So that's why mine are so yellow, and I can feel it's tacky. I need to go ahead and clean the cage for this too. But super simple. You just pull this out and replace it. Stick it in there and we're done. So super easy installation, and you can see the 2 little notches in there. You put these in the notch and twist. It's too easy. So these things are great and they last, I want to say, I don't know what the box says, but I replaced mine. Okay, I've replaced mine twice. I definitely need to replace it more, but yes, these work really great, and I'm really happy I finally got a new one. Here it is, ultrasonic humidifier replacement filter sponge, and it works with this big one. This one fits in my base over here, and this is what it looks like. So if you have this one, it works. And it also says that it is compatible with a few other models as well. So there it is. That's a big difference right there.